Hey guys, so I finally made it to the car community warehouse. It's pretty cool here. You know, guys, get your merch. As always, it's online, just link in the bio. Well, you guys can't get that one over there because it's gone basically, which sucks because I wanted another one. They're gonna have to make me another one, I don't care. Bel Air did the art on the wall with the mural. It's pretty cool.
We like flames and Lambos.
Yes, if your car shoot flames, you definitely get a car community. Psych. Anyway.
That's according to Zane, not to me though. I'm good. A lot of stuff.
He's actually a Porsche guy, so we get along pretty well. We like, you know, we like cars.
Frogs.
Yeah. Hello everyone, so finally after meeting up with Zane at Car Community, he got a special text and we came to VMA Auto Collision. He just took delivery of this Mansory 720S. Most of you guys saw this car at SEMA, and yeah, now it's a New York car, so it'll be dope.
Eyes are fucking red, bro.
So crazy. I actually like the 720S over the McLaren Senna. The P1 takes my heart, but the 720S has like a little, you know, above. But yeah, it's pretty dope. I'm sorry, Dane. So after recording the 720S, the Mansory, the owner invited us to his warehouse, which he has some of his cars. I think this is one of like 4 or 5 warehouses he has with his collection, and he got some. This lineup is crazy. So we start off with here with this Evo. Right over here, JDM car, another GTR. Let me just walk around and show it to you guys. Let me flip the camera around. Sorry. So this Jeep, I think this Jeep has 1500 horsepower. M6, another M6, Evo 8, and a Supra back there behind the Evo 8. I don't know if I can get back there. Like all these Evos are fully built too. See the dumps and the wastegate through the hood. Supra has slicks also, so I'm assuming it's fast. And another, and then this M6, look at these wheels, they're so huge. Bel Air, it's pretty dope. And then this car just came out also, it's the M3 CS, and the owner is also picking up a M4 CS tomorrow. My bad, bro. And then here's Take the Crop. It's a right-hand drive GTR with a V2 rocket, with a V2 Liberty Walk or Rocket Buddy kit?
V2 Liberty Walk.
Liberty Walk, yeah, I'm sorry, I messed that up, but yeah, it's a V2. Huh? Yeah. Look at the wheels. And it's right-hand drive. Beautiful. Everything inside the car is in Japanese. It's just pretty dope. It's pretty interesting. Everything is in Japanese. Pretty cool. And then we have a Tesla right here. Look how close they parked this car. What? Crazy. And then this C whatever boat or whatever they use, it's pretty cool. Let's get back here because they have 2 NSX. This one's turbo and this one is supercharged. This is the only Rocket Bunny supercharged NSX around. I think it's the only one in New York, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't seen another one in New York, period. For this. And you know, with this kit, you have to cut the back of the car. Cut into it. It's pretty dope. Raised TE37s. And the best part about this car, it's right-hand drive. These people know how to do JDM cars, bro. Like, seriously, look at this. Another right-hand drive. And... oh, no. Yep, and the right-hand drive Supra. Hey Dylan, that's Dylan by the way. We met Dylan earlier. And it's just
another right-hand drive GTR over there.
Yep. Another R35 over there, which is right-hand drive. The new M5. I think this is the launch edition. The new M5 launch edition. This pretty dope, pretty dope.
100 first edition.
I got you. The interior is pretty dope. All right, guys. So that will be it for tonight. I think we're about to end the night and call it a day. So if anything pops up, we'll record, and if not, then I'll see you guys. Quick. So we just pulled up to the second location of the owner's house, and SVJ, the only one on the East Coast. We have a R34, we have a Liberty Walk, Aventador, M4 GTS, Type R, NSX, R34, the new Urus, if I pronounced it right, the new M5, and the sick S2000. I don't know if that's a spoon S2000 or a regular S2000, but it's crazy. And then the only Aventador SVJ on the East Coast. $219, and I'm in New York. Mind you, I live in Connecticut, but you guys understand this is worth it. Just look at it. Beautiful. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for me. I have to go back to Connecticut, which is a 2-hour drive from here where we are right now. So, and I have a finals early in the morning, so I definitely have to get going. So as much as I love seeing the SVJ and all the other cool cars that we saw earlier today, I have to go back home, unfortunately. But I'm thinking about moving to New York soon, so hopefully I could make that happen, and then I could have more content for you guys of just, you know, supercars hanging out. So that's a wrap for me, guys. Have a good night.